VU 55 inches Premium Series 4K Ultra HD Smart Android QLED TV. Product information, color depth perception, Dolby Vision, HDR10 and HLG technology dramatically enhances color details, depth, sharpness and the black and white level by maximizing the contrast and color accuracy to bring out true colors and enhanced levels of clarity during your viewing experience, even in the darkest areas. Compared to other 4K TVs, get unbelievable color accuracy, far purer than conventional 4K TVs. 4K QLED Quantum Dot Technology. Our special high-performance quantum dot optical materials controls multiple zones backlight, which can improve TV's color performance. It also creates wide-range color and most suitable contrast according to display content. Inbuilt sound system 40 watt, providing 4 speakers with 40 watt output which create immersive sound effects along with Dolby Atmos and Dolby processing audio. 2x master speaker handle low and mid-range of frequency I vocal and bass, while 2x tweeter speakers control the higher frequency I treble. Additionally, Dolby Atmos putting you in immersive and surrounding environment. Game mode with ALLM plus MJC. VU QLED Premium Television supports auto low input lag to automatically switch game mode to reduce input lag when it senses the gaming signal from your game console. Additionally, MJC setting adjust motion interpolation and lowest input lag possible for a 4K at 60 Hz plus 10-bit HDR input signal. Powerful processor. VU TV comes with a 64-bit quad-core processor and 2 GB RAM that allows for smooth operations at all times. The new generation 4-core CPU with a powerful GPU and 16 GB of storage space offers a seamless streaming experience for your favorite content. Anti-glare screen. The low reflection screen reduces distracting reflections from sunlight and other source of glare on your screen. The screen 98% of incoming light and only reflect 2% back. This makes the screen good for one's eyes. Intelligent content. VU QLED Premium TV comes with Google official Android 11 stock OS and preloaded Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Hotstar and YouTube, including all kinds of movies, web series, sports, variety of shows, catch-up TV, etc. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.